How can you offer paid online consultations on Fibler? Once you're a verified expert on Fibler, you'll be able to set your own fees for voice, video, and chat consultations. You can update your enabled consultation mediums and their related fees anytime from your profile settings. You can also optionally set your daily availability schedule, though you can manually go offline anytime needed. Now that you're all set, start attracting traffic by sharing your Fibler link and QR code publicly through online ads, on your website, and on your professional and social network pages such as LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, or privately with your own clients through WhatsApp, email signature, and business card. We highly recommend that you also add your Fibler link in your automatic replies on WhatsApp Business. When your leads click on your Fibler link or scan your QR code, they will be redirected to download the Fibler app from their respective store, if they don't have it already, and then straight to your profile in Fibler. They won't need to search for you inside the app, neither will they be able to search for other experts. This simplifies how they can reach you and keeps your clients exclusively yours. People looking to consult with you for the first time can request a one-time free intro consultation through a voice call, and it'll be your choice to reject or accept it and specify the duration of the free communication. The normal billing according to your preset fees automatically starts once the free communication time is over. You can disable the free intro request option from your account settings anytime if you do not want people to ask you for free intros. You will be notified whenever new clients check your profile. You'll also get a notification whenever you miss a voice or a video consultation. Once you're available, you can inform your clients that you're now ready to take their call by pressing on the poke icon beside each missed consultation. Your clients can send you many messages under the same chat consultation to detail their question. They can cancel the consultation and get fully refunded if you do not answer within 1 hour. You can charge for the consultation and close it once you reply, or ask for further info and keep it open until you can really answer your client. Your earnings will be accumulated under your account balance, which you can cash out anytime to your bank account. You can contact our support anytime if you have any questions or face any difficulties. We will always be pleased to help. Offering paid online consultations to your clients around the world is just a few clicks away. Happy Fiblering!